everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, glad to have you. So today is Sephora Day and it's Christmas Eve. I just got it today. Things were running a little bit late for me. Sephora was also one of those that my address didn't kind of fit on the box, so they got sent back. But I called Sephora one time and they fixed it. Not only did they send me 2 boxes, they gave me 500 Beauty Insider bonus points as well. They handled it beautifully. Wish I could say the same for, other places, but Sephora did, and I'm happy. So I'm gonna get right on into the video on this Christmas Eve. Is everybody having a wonderful Christmas Eve? I hope you are. I know I am. All the goodies are getting stacked under the tree, so I'm anxious. All right, so let's go right on and get into December Sephora Play. All right. So as per usual, we do receive, get the box closed here. We do receive the 50 Insider bonus points as always. And on the back, it tells us a little bit about the products inside. So I'm not going to open it up because I like to kind of be, I like to be surprised. So this is like my first month back to Sephora. I did it back in the summer when they had the cute little cloth bags, and I see they switched to this. I don't love this, but it's okay. I'm not going to die without the cloth bags. So we're going to jump right on in here. How's everybody doing? Are you guys away for the holiday? Are you home? Is your home filled with family and friends? I would love to know. All right. So the first thing that I see in my bag is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Primer. Okay, I have not tried this yet, so I'm anxious to. Open it up, see what it looks like. Ooh, that's a cute little pink color. So nice, and it feels good. I like how that feels. It feels a little tacky, but that's okay. I like that. All right. So this says that it's a cooling matte skin perfecting primer infused with peach and sweet fig cream. Nice, all right. And as always, it is a very small sample. Sephora is known for giving us their very tiny, tiny samples. I myself don't mind it because I know what I know what's involved. I'm getting a $10 a month sample bag, so I'm okay with that. The next thing I'm seeing is the Rouge, whoops, and it dropped, well, maybe, no, that's another product. The Rouge Gel Lip Liner Sephora Collection. Nice. All right, and here's what that looks like on the outside. Get it open here. Oh, it's kind of pretty. I like nudes. I'm a nude girl. I don't like anything that's real bright and vibrant. It's just not my thing. But if it's yours, that's all right. So that's a pretty color. It's kind of like a nudish, pinkish tan. So that's not bad. I can definitely live with that. And that's what the packaging looks like. And the tip. So I like it. I'll use it definitely. All right. The next goodie that we have is the Verb Ghost Oil. I have never ever seen this before. And it says Smoothing Moroccan Blend. Okay. All right, so I am going to assume this is for my hair. So, nice. All right, let me look at it. Yep, it is for hair care. All right. You know what? I go for anything that can work with this hair. And there it is again. I'm going to see if it has a scent. Oh, and it has a safety seal. Well, you know what? Sometimes with these nails, it's hard to get these safety seals off. It has a very light fragrance. It's not heavy. You can barely smell it, to be honest. So there's that. All right. Next goodie. Feels like I'm opening Christmas presents. I love it. Oh, Lancome. I love Lancome foundation, so I love anything that I can get from them. And this is the Lancome Bifacial Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. Cute little sample. Nice. I'll take that. Ooh, if I get it open. They're not playing around. They've got it definitely sealed up for safety. Barely any fragrance whatsoever. All right. Oop, I almost dropped it. That would have stunk. All right, so there's that. Okay, I see you, Sephora. All right, and the next thing that we have is the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. And it says hyaluronic acid, love that. And it's, well, it is a face cream. So there's that. All right, let's open her up and see what it smells like. Barely any fragrance. Oh, it's a little bit wet. Oh, that feels nice. All right, okay, well, I can deal with that too. I love face creams, any type of moisturizers or, you know, skincare. I'm into it, so I love it. All right, and I think, yep, that's it. So the last goodie that I have in my Sephora play bag for December is the Trustique, and it looks like a lip crayon. So there's that. Nice. You might hear my husband in the background because he, you know, he's out there entertaining. So just ignore that. All right. Ooh, ooh, that is pretty. Wow. That is very pretty. It's like a pink. Oh, it's light. Nice. It's called Paris Pink. And boy, is that pretty. All right, so I'm not happy with my Sephora play for December. I am very happy with it. I think they did a good job. And like I said, I don't mind the samples because that's what I signed up for. I know it's going to be samples. Could some of them be a little bit bigger? Absolutely. But still, I mean, I can't complain. So there we go. Plus, like I said, Sephora made it right with me. I'm very, very thankful to Sephora. It just made you look a lot better in my eyes. So I hope everybody is having a Merry Christmas, a great day. I hope you have a fantastic day tomorrow. You guys stay beautiful. Bye.